Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually be showing you a brand new money making application that is going to pay you out in cryptocurrency. But before we even get started with today's video, let's go ahead and get started with the daily comment winner. So now we're going to get started right now, and we're going to choose a YouTube comments random generator right here, guys, or picker, whatever you want to call it. So now I already uploaded the video that we're going to be using for today's method or for today's giveaway. So let's just click on start right here. So we're gonna choose, and whoever wins this, guys, I'm gonna be giving them $5 right now in today's video. So as you can see, it says, Sir Edward, I'm grateful that you are showing us ways to earn money by only using our phone. More power to you, sir, and God bless. I really appreciate that comment. It really means a lot to me, and thank you for actually being a part of my YouTube community. So here is your Bitcoin address right here. So let's go ahead and send you some free crypto. I have found the Bitcoin address right here. I'm not going to copy from here just in case it is not the right one. So I'm actually right here on my YouTube channel. So let me show you that right now. So you can see it right here. This is the Bitcoin address, and this is the night, or I'm gonna call you Nightmare. So we can see that right here, guys. It is the same person right here on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to copy this address really quick right there. Now let's come over here to Exodus. Now within Exodus, we're going to send you some free cryptocurrency, and again, really appreciate you being a part of the community. Let's go ahead and send you a free $5 in Bitcoin. So now here we go, sending it right now. It has been sent to you, sir. Really appreciate it. Now let's do one more for today. Let's just go ahead and pick another winner for yesterday's video or today's video. As you can see that this was actually just 11 hours ago. So now let's come over here, and we're gonna choose this person right here. Another awesome video. So now let me look for that comments really quick, and then we can actually get on with today's money making method. So as you can see right here, here's another awesome video by Hometown right there, Hometown Dispatch. So now I have received your Bitcoin address for the previous video. Now let's go back into the Exodus. Let's go and send you a free $5 for being a part of this community and watching my video, and even leaving your Bitcoin address down in the comment section. So let's go ahead and send you a free $5 for being a part of this YouTube video and commenting. Thank you so much for being a part of this YouTube community. Now let's get started with today's money making method on another way you can make money with your mobile device. So now I've opened up my phone to the application, or to the Telegram bot, a new one, and I have found this Telegram bot on inside of my Discord. So let me show you that real quick right here. Thank you to, I believe it's called Juka. Thank you for actually showing me this actual method and this money making application. So this is what I'm going to be talking about in today's video, and I'm testing this out myself. So now let me show you inside of the application right now. So as you can see, this is how it looks, and I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video, and possibly even in the comment section, guys. Now if you want to get entered into tomorrow's daily giveaway, or whenever I upload my next video, make sure to put your Bitcoin address down in the comment section of this video and leave a comment, guys. I really appreciate it, and even give this video a thumbs up. So now let's go on to today's method. So as soon as you click on the link down in the description of this video, you're gonna get led to a page that looks just like this one, where it says free XRP earn king bots. Now there's something really interesting about this application, or this bot, Telegram bot. As soon as you sign up, it's going to want you to actually go into different groups. So let me show you one other group really quick. So as you can see right here, look at the name. It says free XRP payment proof right there, guys. So this is a group chat, I believe, for just the payment proof of the application, or of the Telegram bot that I'm going to show you in today's video. So you can see all of this payment proof right here, that people are actually getting paid out from that money making application that I'm going to show you right now. So now, since we're back inside of the money making application, or the money making Telegram bot, now there's only two options, or two things that you can do with this actual bot. So the first thing is just claiming the XRP bonus, and that is how you make your money. You do not have to go into any other websites. You don't have to do really anything at all, guys. So now let's show you how this works. So in order to actually start to make some free XRP, all you have to do is click on where it says claim XRP bonuses, and that is it, guys. So let's click on it once, and the cool thing about this is that you can do this every 60 seconds. So it says right there, congratulations Edward, you have received 0.00 or 0.06 XRP successfully. You can claim it every 60 seconds. Now since it says claim every 60 seconds, I'm about to show you how you can make this 100% passive and letting this run 24 hours a day, guys. Now there is a minimum withdrawal in order to get your money, which is a really decent amount of XRP that you can make from this, guys. So just click on the about tab really quick so I can show you how much money you're gonna need in order to withdraw this. So it says right there at the top, once we click on the about tab in the bottom right hand corner, it says how to work in this bot. Click to claim XRP button and get XRP per 60 seconds. Share with your friends. Minimum withdrawal 128 XRP equals $30 right there, guys. You can see that. So you're gonna need a minimum of 128 XRP. You can earn unlimited XRP by referring your friends. Payment sends within 3 hours, 100% legitimate and trusted bot. Note, XRP is already a listed token, so don't miss the free income chance. So that is all of the information that you are going to need. This is the simplest way you can start to make money with Telegram right now, guys. And I am still testing this out on my own. So now let me show you how you can make this 100% passive. So now the next step that you're going to need whenever you have go. So I'm going to leave the link down in the description for this application. It is called ClickMates. It's going to help you automate your bots or automate any application that you can think of. So let's click on record mode right there, guys. So now let's go back into the application that we're going to be using this with. Now you see I have this little tab right here that's going around my screen. Let me move my little finger thing out the way real quick. So now let's click on the red button where it says record. Now all we have to do right here is click on yes to start recording. Now once you have this screen that looks just like this, click where it says claim XRP bonus and then wait 60 seconds. So 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now just count 5 seconds one more time just in case. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we click on it one more time so we can make sure that we have it already done. So there we go. Since we have a success, guys, we are finished with this bot. All you have to do is just click on the square right there to stop the recording. Click on the 3 lines, go to options where it says load and save, and then within here, guys, you can do repeat count and then type in like 0 for infinite amount of times, and then you can go up where it says save as and then do like XRP Telegram bot, so tell bot. And that is all you need to do right there, guys. Click on save one more time, and now the bot has saved. So now let's go back into Telegram bot. Let's click on play, and it's going to play it out all 100% passive. It's going to click right there where it says claim XRP bonus, and then now we're going to have to wait. Well, since we have to wait the 60 seconds because we did it too quick whenever we saved it, so now we have to wait 16 seconds to receive our bonus again. So let's just pause this real quick and we'll play it one more time so we can wait those 16 seconds. It's about 5 seconds right now. So now we can just go ahead and click on play, and hopefully it will start up the bot starting fresh, guys. So this is how easy it is to start making some free money with these Telegram bots with your own ClickMate bot. And this is how you can start to make passive income, 100% passive, guys, with this brand new money making application that has payment proof, that it says it's 100% trusted and easy to use. There's no going to websites, there's no watching videos, there's no waiting. All you do is just let this run 100% passive and then start to earn your money, guys. And I'm going to be showing you my own payment proof as soon as I receive it from this actual application, guys. And I've recently just found out about this, I believe 2 days ago or yesterday. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.